Hi guys, my name is Kanoe and I'm 5 years old. We're gonna be making rice cake animals. First, let's put a layer of peanut butter. Is this new? There. I did my best on mine. Okay, that's creepy. How is it standing like that? That is so weird. Now let's prepare the fruit. We have to slice bananas and slice strawberries.
Socks. Do you have socks? You got it?
Oh, ew. That's the best I could do with bananas. I'm putting on my safety gloves so that you won't get cut. These things are a little bit difficult. Lily, stop. Okay. Lily, stop. Or else it's gonna get out. Is this the... I'm gonna be making a kitty cat, but you can make a bear and owl, but you can use whatever kind of animal or pets. Animal or pets, because it's super fun and you can do whatever you want. And I wanted to do a kitty, so I can do a kitty. Okay, let's take this one. Ooh, that's cute. Now the blueberries. I'll just take these two. Okay, I'll take a little cute one. Aww, that's cute. And now the bananas.
A mouth?
Okay, now the whiskers.
Oh.
Okay, so let me put 2 more. Okay. Aw, he looks cute. A she. Yeah, it's a she. I'm gonna name her Rhonda. Aw. Now we're gonna do Lily's bear. Let's first start with the ears. We'll have to cut this in half, like there. There's the ears. Aww. There. Okay, now the blueberry eyes. Ooh, whoops. Now let's do the snout. And push that in and there, a bear.
That's so pretty!
Thank you. Show it up to the camera. Time to eat mine.
Time to eat mine!
Good.
Bye guys, I hope you subscribe. Bye!